Hello, welcome to the demonstration session of Cloud Platform for IaaS version 2.0. The purpose of this session is to familiarize with the CPI dashboard and how it can be effectively used to create and manage the environment. The dashboard, enter the management IP into a web browser, and provide the login credentials. Then click on the login, which will display the project administrator dashboard of CPI. These are the following dashboard function available for PA: instances, volumes, images, monitoring, network, stack, logs, and access. Below are the CPI dashboard features: main menu, navigation screen, product version, action button, project name, display name, user role, and last is logout. User can perform the below functions available for the instance page. To launch a new instance, click on Launch Instance and provide the details for the instance to be created. For redundant instance, select this checkbox. These are the available flavors for the instances. Choose the predefined OS images from the list. Select checkbox to assign a floating IP. For security group, click on Create New Security Group. Provide name and description, and select the rules. User can create a key pair or assign a key pair. Provide the details to generate a key pair. Click here to download a key on your local machine. After completion, click on Launch to start the instance, and then a confirmation message will appear on the screen. You can check the status of an instance here. If you want to take the console of instance, click on Console and provide the login credentials. Click here to check the console of an instance. Next is volumes. Below are the options available for the volumes. To create a new volume, click on Create Volume and provide the details for volume to be created. And click on Create. After the successful completion, a confirmation message will appear. All the volume details can be seen here. To attach the volume with instance, click on Attach and choose the instance name. After the successful completion, a confirmation message will appear. For volume snapshot, select Create Snapshot option from the list. A message will display for the volume snapshot creation. Click on Create and provide the name and description for volume snapshot, and then click on Create. A confirmation message will appear that volume snapshot has been successfully created. Snapshot is displayed under the Volume Snapshots section. Click on Launch to launch a volume snapshot and provide the following details. By default, standard volume type is available. Provide the name and description to launch a snapshot. Click on Launch. A confirmation message will appear that the volume snapshot has been successfully launched. To delete a volume snapshot, select Delete option from the list. A confirmation message will display. If you want to delete the volume snapshot, then click on Delete, otherwise click on Cancel. Next is monitoring. User can perform the below options available for the monitoring settings. User can see the CPU, memory and storage performance statistics of all the instances created by project admin in the graphical format on the CPI dashboard. For detailed overview of the instance, select an instance from the list, and it will show the utilization status of that instance. On the right side, user can check instance details and action available for that instance. We choose monitoring settings from the available options in Instance Actions menu. On this page, project admin can change the monitoring settings for an individual instance. This option indicates that the alert mail option is turned off but CPI still continue to collect metrics. User can specify or change the threshold value of CPU, like 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. Similarly, we change the value of memory settings and storage settings. Here user can also add the port number and notification email ID to receive an alert. Click on Save to implement all the changes. A confirmation message will appear that the monitoring settings has been successfully updated. Next is Network. Mentioned below are the options available for the network page. There are the three options available for the project admin, which is Launch Instance, Create Network and Create Router. Click on Create Network and provide network name and its admin status. Click on Next. Select Create Subnet checkbox option. Provide the subnet name, network address, IP version. By default IPv4 is selected. If user want to use the gateway, enter gateway IP. Otherwise, click on checkbox to disable it. Click on Next. To enable a server which automatically assign an IP address to a compute, keep Enable DHCP checkbox selected, otherwise not. For specify range of an IP address which was assigned by DHCP, enter allocation pools details and enter DNS name servers for this subnet. If user need additional routes announced to the hosts, enter the host routes. After completion, click on Create to create a new network. Created network displays under the network topology. Click on Create Router. Provide router name, admin status, and external network. And then click on Create Router. The created router displays under the network topology. Select this router to add interface. Click on Add Interface to connect the router to the network. Select the subnet which will connect to router. Provide the IP address. If unspecified, the default IP address of the interface created is a gateway of the selected subnet. Click on Add Interface. It will display router overview. Move on to the network topology. And again select the same router. To delete the interface, click on Delete Interface. And for router, click on Delete Router. Click on Launch Instance to launch an instance. Keep the availability zone Nova selected. Provide the instance name, flavor, and other details. We have selected boot from image. Provide the image name, device size, and mark the checkbox to delete on terminate. Click on Access and Security option. Select a key pair from the drop-down menu. And mark the security groups checkboxes. Click on Networking. Choose the network from available network options. Click on Launch to start an instance. And to terminate an instance, click on Terminate Instance. And to delete an interface, click on Delete Interface. The selected interface is removed from the network topology. User can also delete the router by clicking on Delete Router button. Click on Networks. To delete a subnet, select the checkbox for the subnet to be deleted. And then, select Delete Network from the list. And click on Delete. Next to Stack, user can perform the below options available in the Stack page. From the Stacks menu, click on Launch Stack. Select a template source. Upload a template file by clicking on Browse. Select a file and click on Open. Provide environment source. Click on Next. Provide the stack name and password and other details. Then click on Launch. A notification message will display that launch is being initiated. To check the status of an instance in the stack, click on Check Stack. User has option to suspend, resume, change template and delete stack. To suspend a stack, click on Suspend Stack. User can see the status and similarly can perform other functions. Click on the Log Out option for the successful exit. Thank you.